In this video, we listed the 5 best vacuum blender on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. High-Speed Blender Vacuum Blender. The Joyoung vacuum mixer is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to enhance food freshness and nutrient retention. With the ability to pump air away, this mixer prevents food deterioration, oxidation, foaming, color changes, and stratification, ensuring that food stays fresh for up to 24 hours. By minimizing air contact, the mixer preserves more nutrients, particularly vitamin C, in juices. The machine features intelligent cold and heat identification, adjusting power, speed, and working time based on the temperature of the ingredients for precise nutrient release. Multiple protection mechanisms, such as power supply interlocks, magnetic induction protection, and intelligent triple induction, ensure safe and efficient operation. The mixer offers various functions, including fruit and vegetable processing, juice extraction, grinding, stirring, and more. Operating the mixer is straightforward, with clear steps provided for different food preparations like making soy milk or juice extraction. The specifications include a stainless steel chopper, over 10 speed settings, A1, 75L capacity stainless steel container, and a powerful 751 1000W motor. The touchpad controls and multifunctional features make the Joyoung vacuum mixer a convenient and reliable kitchen companion for preparing a wide range of dishes and beverages. This product is CE certified, originating from mainland China, and designed for energy efficiency, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Number 2. Joyoung 220V Vacuum Food Blender. The all-way standing blender features a durable stainless steel blending arm and chopper, making it ideal for various food processing tasks. With a powerful motor operating at 40,000 revolutions per minute and 6 blades, this blender efficiently blends ingredients to desired consistencies. It offers a single speed setting and a touchpad control interface for easy operation. The blender is designed for versatility, capable of functions like fruit and vegetable processing, juice extraction, rice paste making, and more. While lacking a heat preservation function, it is suitable for tasks such as stirring, milkshake preparation, and mixing. The appliance has a 5L stainless steel container, a stylish standing design, and certifications including CE, GS, and ROH for quality assurance. Originating from mainland China, the all-way standing blender is a reliable kitchen tool for various culinary needs. Number 3. BioloMix Hand Stick Blender. The BioloMix handheld blender is a versatile kitchen tool designed for efficient food processing tasks. Featuring a stainless steel blending arm and a plastic chopper, this handheld blender offers durability and functionality. With a rotation rate of 1100 RPM and 4 blades, it can effectively blend ingredients to desired textures. The blender provides 6 speed settings for customized blending and is controlled via a convenient push-button interface. Its plastic housing and container make it lightweight and easy to handle. The model HB1200 is a powerful appliance with a 1001 to 1200W motor, suitable for various blending tasks. Certified with CE for quality assurance, this blender has a capacity of 0.811L, making it ideal for small to medium-sized food preparations. The BioloMix handheld blender, originating from mainland China, is a reliable and efficient kitchen companion for a wide range of culinary needs. Number 4. 600 milliliters electric mini blender. The Aliexpress standing blender mixer is a versatile and portable kitchen appliance designed for various food processing tasks. Featuring a stainless steel blending arm and a plastic chopper, this blender offers durability and functionality in a single-piece design. With a rotation rate of 1800 RPM and 6 blades, it can efficiently blend ingredients to desired textures. The blender provides 3 speed settings and is controlled via a convenient push-button interface. Its plastic housing and Triton container make it lightweight and easy to use. The model portable blender mixer is equipped with a 304 stainless steel blade and operates at a working voltage of 4V. It features a 4000 mAh battery capacity and a charging time of about 3-5 hours, offering portability for on-the-go blending. With certifications including CE and RO8s, this blender is suitable for functions such as fruit and vegetable processing, juice extraction, milk tea and jam making, ice crushing, and mixing. The Aliexpress standing blender mixer, originating from mainland China, is a compact and efficient kitchen appliance for a variety of blending needs, with dimensions of 9.59, 531 cm. Number 5. 2200W Commercial Blender. The XMSJ Standing Blender is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance designed for a wide range of food processing tasks. With a plastic blending arm and a single-piece construction, this blender offers convenience and efficiency. Operating at a high rotation rate of 45,000 revolutions per minute, it can quickly and effectively blend ingredients to desired consistencies. The blender features a 2000 W motor and a 220 V voltage, providing ample power for various blending functions. Controlled by push-button interface, this blender is suitable for tasks such as bean product processing, juice extraction, rice paste making, milkshakes, and more. With a capacity ranging from 1.8 to 1 L, the ABS container is durable and spacious enough for large batches of ingredients. Certified with RoHS and CE, the XMSJ Standing Blender is a reliable kitchen appliance originating from mainland China, offering quality performance and versatility for diverse culinary needs.